So in this video, we are going to explore the fascinating history of tarot cards and their evaluation from a game to a tool for divination. Tarot cards originated in Europe during 15th century. They were first termed as playing cards, known as tarocchi in Italy, where they were part of a game similar to bridge. The earliest surviving tarot deck data back to around 1430, and these decks were more important for laser than mysticism. It wasn't until the late 18th century that tarot cards began to gain a reputation of divine tool. The 19th and early 20th centuries saw the tarot transformation into a popular tool for divination. A major milestone was the creation of the Rider and Waite deck in 1909 by Arthur Edward Waiter, and the artist was Pamela Coleman Smith. This deck is also known for its detail, imaginary, and symbolism, and it remains one of the most widely used and recognized tarot deck till yet. In recent times, tarot cards are used for various purposes, including personal reflection, artistic exploration, spiritual growth, and guidance. Nowadays, tarot cards have evolved into a more powerful and intriguing tools for many seeking insights into their lives and inner soul.